right, we are talking about networking. It has been said that it is a common terror of many business and career-minded people. We have our communication expert, Lauren Sergi, with us, author of the Handy Communication Answer Book, which made 2017's Library Journal's best reference list. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And do you say that? Do you go up to somebody and say, hello, my name is Lauren, and my book is a big deal?
Oh, yes, if I want to make darn sure that they never talk to me again. Hi, my name is Lauren Sergi, and my book just made the Library Journal's 2017 best reference list. Never hear from them again.
Let's talk about networking.
Yes.
Why is it so important? And give me a definition for it as well.
You know what? Networking, the definition can be pretty loose. Most people see networking as being specifically to create a new business relationship with someone. Usually it's given in a professional context. So we're going to get to know each other in a professional, in a business context. Mm-hmm. But really, networking is any time that you are meeting someone new. Because our social networks matter as well, like not social media, but those interpersonal relationships that we form throughout the course of the day. It all matters.
It's sometimes people you know that will get you ahead, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So number one thing people do wrong?
Spray and pray. That is a very indelicate term for when you randomly hand out business cards to anyone who looks in your direction and cross your fingers that some of them call you.
So are business cards still a thing?
They are a thing, and they're really important things because it can be awkward to write down people's contact information, and those little e-cards don't always work.
What if people don't want your information? Like, what if they don't ask for it? Or do you just say, it was nice to meet you, here's my card if you need anything?
I ask for their card. No, I ask for their card. I don't want to give out mine. I want to gather other people's cards because then I can email them, I can contact them back and say, hi, we met at this event, I'd like to get to know you better. It puts the ball in my court, and then I don't have to hope that the other person remembers to contact me.
So do you follow up when you get all these cards?
Yep.
And you just say hi?
Just about. It depends. I'll follow up if I see the potential for us helping one another in some way. Like it can't be one-sided. If I think I can help the other person out in some way, then I'll offer that. Or I want to offer them something as well. So if I think there's potential there, yes, a follow-up.
Okay, we're going to get to how to begin a conversation and how to end a conversation, because sometimes that is the worst part. So let's talk about beginning a conversation. Hi, do I say, hi, I'm Stacey Brotzel from CTV, or do I just say, hi, I'm Stacey, or how does it even begin an introduction?
I usually start off just saying my name, and I'll ask them who they are. And yes, I will ask them what they do. Some people say, no, never ask what someone does and never tell them what you do, because that's so cliched. But you know what? It's a convenient starting point. It gives them something to go off of. It lets them know a little bit of context about who you are and what you do. So, hi, I'm Stacey. But who are you? What do you do? Just ask them. Make it conversational.
Okay. And what are we talking about besides the weather and the Oilers?
Yeah. No weather, no Oilers. What I like to say is, what's driving you nuts these days? I open the door to let them cry on my shoulder a little bit. First up, it's an unexpected question, and it's a very open question. People are usually so shocked that they're like, well, and then they'll just start telling me about what's going on in their days and what difficulties they're having at work. People love talking about themselves, and they especially love unloading their problems. So if you give them the opportunity, there is conversational gold to be had.
All right, I've run out of time. Give me another icebreaker.
Another icebreaker is what's really lighting you up.
What's really lighting you up?
What are you loving right now? What are you loving right now?
Okay, and a quick answer, how do we get away from somebody we don't want to talk about? Talk to anymore? Maybe that you don't like them, or you just want to get me away from them, or I got other things to do, you're great, I've exchanged cards, and now I've got to move on.
This'll sound so cruel. Grab someone who's walking by and then introduce the person you want to get away from to the other person, and then you can graciously make your exit. Well, it looks like you guys are getting off to a great start. I'm going to go say hi to someone else, and then you run away.
So I need to fill my drink. Apparently not the best way. As always, thank you so much for joining us. You can find out more details about Lauren. We've got a link on our website, edmonton.ctvnews.ca. Click on CTV Morning Live. We're going to take a big, quick break. Not a big break. It's just little.
Could be a big break.
No, this is just
it's all relative.
Little tiny. We're back after this.